Tokyo Logistics Factory is a logistics company within the Tokyo System Transportation Group. Centered around the Keno Expressway, the company provides logistics services mainly in Tokyo, Kanagawa, and Saitama. Shipping cosmetics requires around 100 people to ensure smooth operations. To improve efficiency in picking and packing, the company introduced an AI picking cart. It simultaneously carries out picking and inspections and is easy to operate. It can assign numbers to packing boxes based on order data. It can also select appropriately sized boxes during picking. Employees simply retrieve the designated boxes, reducing work time. Using appropriately sized boxes also eliminates waste.
First is the selection of packing boxes. Pressing the Start button and it prints out labels. Packing boxes are chosen based on what is displayed on the screen and labels. The designated box is placed on a scale and it is labeled. Next is picking. The designated number of products is picked according to what is displayed on the screen. The picked product is visually compared to the displayed photo. The barcode is then scanned.
Being able to see the product photo during picking has greatly improved accuracy. Popular products are stored in one area to shorten walking distances. The AI picking cart's congestion mitigation function enables more productive picking.
Conventional picking relied on paper lists, which caused congestion in areas where popular products were stored. This also increased the risk of cart collisions. Avoiding congestion is a major advantage of AI picking carts. Visual inspections also led to picking mistakes. Mistakes required employees to go back and retrieve the correct products, which led to loss of time. AI picking carts ensure on-the-spot inspections, eliminating the need for separate visual checks. Shipping times are designated, helping to prevent delivery delays.
This system enables efficient delivery while maintaining quality. This is important for differentiation. So, our mission is to improve operations.